Are you recording right now?
How's everybody doing today?
Come on, turn it back on.
It's on.
Yeah,
Hi! Get off the couch and come to Disney World yourself.
welcome me aboard. My name is
Okay,
get on.
Alright, now we're going to get on the...
All the way to the front, please. All the way to the front.
Are you on vacation?
Yes.
Oh, I
Why else
couldn't
would you come here? You know?
And we're up and running through, yeah, like a herd of wild turtles. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, no one else knows how to participate. I'd like to welcome aboard the world famous jungle cruise. My name's Mark. I'll be your skipper, tour guide, and possibly your swimming instructor for the next 2.5 hours down the rivers and jungles of adventure. We're now here in the Amazon River. You'll see the amazing Amazon butterfly on either side of the riverbank. And there, these butterflies are capable of having incredible wingspan anywhere from 1 foot to a terrifying 12 inches. Think about it. Yeah. Now as we continue through the Amazon, if you look off to your left, you'll see Inspiration Falls. Now if you look off to your right, and back to your left, you'll see them once again. Yeah. And you did it too. We call these Inspiration Falls because they inspire us. I said inspire us to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Are we inspired today? Are you inspired?
Yes.
Boy, what a crew. Right now we're in the Congo River Raft. We're up ahead to see a pygmy war camp. These 3 pygmy war canoes are each capable of holding 300 full-grown life-size pygmies apiece. Believe it or not, that means over 900 of them waiting to grab your ankles at any given moment. I was just telling us, pointing out this python just may lean in and give the old Congo squeeze. Guaranteed to leave you breathless. We have many safari camps here in the jungle, and looks like this one has a few uninvited house guests today. Boy, they did a sloppy job of parking that vehicle, wouldn't you say? Yeah, I guess monkeying around comes natural to them. Yeah. We're now in the Nile River, about one of the longest rivers in the world. We're up ahead to see the great African bull elephant. He is one of the most fierce and feared creatures in all the jungle. But there is one thing, yes, one thing even strikes sheer terror to his heart. Makes his knees tremble. And there she is, his wife. Yeah, sound familiar, guys? We're now here in Africanville. Yeah, this is a vast grassland where animals come to feed and water on a daily basis. Now you see we have canoes, giraffes, gazelles, and gazebras. We even have a private line here with fresh kill. Trying to get straight to the basic law of nature. Survival of the fittest. Speaking of survival, it looks like we have a native uprising up ahead. How'd you like to be the low man on that totem pole, huh? I think that rider has the point he's trying to get across, and sooner or later I think he's bound to get it in the end. Yeah, bottoms up crew. Now this part of the journey, please keep your arms in and your eyes out while we're in crocodile-infested waters. The larger one was up this name is old Smiley. He's over 100 years old. He's always looking for a hand out. Anyway, give him a hand. How about a foot? What? No? Beautiful and some of them just like Schweitzer Falls and a great Unitarian Dr. Albert Falls. Out through the wheel stuck on the left. Lean in, you're gonna get wet back there. Lean in, the wheel stuck. Lean. Did you get wet? No? Well, we'll back up. Okay, we'll back up. No, we'll continue. Now as we continue through the jungle, I see bubbles in the water crew. That can only mean one thing, wild hippos. They're a cute but dangerous creature somewhere down to feel good on a 5 by 6 boat, yeah. Follow through, I see a charger, hold your ear. Oh, another one. Oh. Yeah, take it from wild hippos, and what do? You sit there. We're now in native headhunter country where you'll see the remains of an Alaska that did smile. Unlike yourselves, of course. The natives are dancing and celebrating. I hope it's not because of our arrival. We usually have an ambush right here where they drag the women and children away screaming and hollering. I don't know why. Uh-oh, crew. Ambush on my right. Women and children, stand up. Men down. I said men down. What a crew. The women don't even stand up. Okay, get that camcorder rolling, sir. Get that camera. Here's something you don't see every day. It's called the backside of water. Sort of looks like the front, don't you think? I do. We're now heading to the Irrawaddy River of Southeast Asia. Up ahead you'll see an ancient Cambodian shrine. And yes, if you're wondering, it was built by ancient Cambodian shriners. Yeah. Many centuries ago, this shrine was almost completely devastated by a violent earthquake. It took many men to enter, but none to survive. Shall we go in?
Yes.
Well, that's good. You didn't have much choice anyway, sir. I think I'm going to have no problem talking without the use of the camera. Everybody made it. I didn't hear any screaming. And if you didn't think it, please raise your hand to let me know. Okay. On the count of 2 and everybody just say ah. 1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Watch out for this is going to try to get us wet. We'll slip on by while he's loading, okay? Watch it, crew. Alvin, seriously, watch it. He's coming up. He's coming up. Lean in, lean in. I guess he can, excuse me, I'm gonna that one always gets this side of my boat. Watch that camcorder, watch. Oh, I guess he forgot to pack his trunk. Psych. Here in the jungle, we have over 500 types of vegetation. Just count them, 500. I'd like to take a few minutes to point out a few of my favorites and tell you everything I know about them, okay? Are there any questions?
What's the green one?
It's a plant.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're now coming up to a friend of mine, Trader Sam. And when we get there, I want everybody to say hi, Sam. Say hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam.
As you can see, he's the head salesman of the jungle, but business has been shrinking lately. So today he only has a special offer. 3 of his for 1 of yours. Any takers? Come on, parents. It'd be a perfect way to start or end any vacation. Yeah? Anyway, you're slightly, you're bound to come out ahead. Yeah. Now we come to the most terrifying part of our journey, so-called civilization. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
Did you have fun on the jungle cruise?
Yes.
Well, if you did, my name's Mark and you're on the world famous jungle cruise. And if you didn't, my name's Juan and you're on the monorail. Yeah. I told you it'd be a 2.5 hour ride down through the jungles and you laughed, didn't you? Yeah, you ride through the jungle 10 minutes and you'll sit here for an hour.
Well, we made it all the way to the end. Thanks for sticking around. Please like and subscribe, and I upload videos on Mondays and Thursdays.